Rish, have you noticed how everyone online is making money so easily?
Yeah, Grandpa. It feels like I'm the only one stuck at zero.
It really does look like that, doesn't it? Like everyone figured out some secret and you're the only one left behind.
Exactly, like I'm late or something.
That's the illusion. You're not seeing their struggle, only their results.
But some people say they made $1,000 in a week.
They're not lying, but they're not telling you what came before that week.
So what came before?
Months of confusion, trying different things, failing quietly, doubting themselves, and continuing anyway.
So all that fast success isn't actually fast?
No, it just looks fast when you ignore the beginning. Your first $1,000 doesn't start with money, Rish. It starts with clarity.
Clarity about what, Grandpa?
About how money actually works, and more importantly, how people earn it today.
Isn't it simple? Work, get paid?
That's what they teach you, but real money comes from value, not time.
I don't fully get that.
Think about it. Two people can work the same hours, but one earns 10x more.
Yeah, that's true.
The difference isn't effort, it's the value they bring.
So it's not about working harder?
It's about working on the right thing.
And that's exactly why most people stay broke?
Exactly. Rish, tell me, what skill do you have right now that someone would pay for?
Honestly, Grandpa, I don't think I have any.
That's not true. You just haven't developed one yet.
But there are so many options. Editing, coding, writing, it's confusing.
And that confusion keeps you stuck.
Yeah, I keep thinking, what if I choose the wrong thing?
That's the trap, waiting for the perfect choice instead of making progress.
So what should I do?
Pick one skill, even if it's not perfect, and commit to it for 30 days.
Only 30 days?
Yes, long enough to see progress, short enough to not overthink. The hardest part isn't learning, it's starting badly.
Starting badly?
Yes, your first work will be terrible.
That's discouraging.
It's supposed to be, because most people quit when they see they're not good.
So I just accept being bad?
You embrace it, because every expert you see today was once terrible.
It's hard to believe that.
Because you never saw their beginning.
So bad work is normal?
It's necessary. Then comes rejection.
Rejection from clients?
Yes, messages ignored, offers declined, silence.
That sounds painful.
It is. You start questioning yourself.
Like, maybe I'm not good enough?
Exactly. And that's where 90% people quit.
So what do the 10% do?
They feel the same fear, but they send one more message anyway.
Even after being ignored?
Especially after being ignored. Then, one day, someone responds.
Really, Grandpa?
Yes. After all that silence, one person responds.
That must feel amazing.
It feels unreal, like finally something is working.
What do you even say at that point?
You keep it simple, you don't overthink, you just respond.
Even if you're nervous?
You will be, and that's okay. When you earn your first $10, your mindset shifts forever.
It's just $10 though.
It's never just $10.
Why?
Because it proves you can earn without a job, without permission, without waiting.
So it's like proof that this works?
Exactly. After that, it becomes a game.
A game?
Yes. Now you're not guessing anymore. You're improving.
So you get better clients.
Better clients, better rates, better confidence.
So the $1,000 comes slowly?
Slowly at first, then suddenly.
Why suddenly?
Because skills compound and confidence multiplies.
Here's the truth.
Most people never reach $1,000. Why? Because they stop at zero.
That's harsh.
Reality usually is.
So it's not about difficulty, it's about persistence.
The first $1,000 isn't about money.
Then what is it?
It's about becoming someone who can create income anytime.
So it changes who you are.
Yes, you stop feeling stuck and start feeling capable.
That sounds powerful.
It is. Let me simplify it. Learn one skill, practice daily, reach out to people, repeat without emotions.
That's it?
That's everything.
No tricks? No shortcuts?
Consistency is the shortcut. Your first $1,000 is waiting for you, but not for the perfect version of you.
Then who is it waiting for?
The version of you that starts today, even if it's messy, even if it's uncomfortable.
I think I understand now.
Good, because most people understand, but never act.
I don't want to be one of them.
Then start. And if you're ready to build real income step by step, subscribe now, because this is just the beginning.